Hi everyone, I'm in Lonely Travel USA. Today I'm here in East Bronx. I'm gonna show you a little bit about this beautiful place. This is one of my favorite, place to come in the weekend. And here they got a lot of Spanish restaurant. Especially community. Spanish communities is is one of the best here. Yeah, almost the people here is the population is 53% Hispanic Latino they call, and 10% black and 5% white, and also in the Bronx, the lot of celebrity they born here. Like I'm gonna give you an example, rapper Fatty Joey. Fatty Joey born in the Bronx. It's a real talented rapper from the Bronx, New York. Oh, another rapper, they born here also in the Bronx, Cardi B. She female rapper. For me, it's one of the best. Her voice is very special, and they got also a lot of talent in no rapper. But I'm gonna give you an example like Ralph DeLaren. They're born here in the Bronx also. Calvin Klein. They're born here in the Bronx. Supreme Court Judge Sonia Sotomayor. She born here in the Bronx. Then they have a lot of famous people here. They're born here in the Bronx. Oh, another one I think everybody know, Wood Allen, as actor and film produce. Movie produce. They're born here in the Bronx also. And today let's walk down and let's see what you can find in this beautiful, place, Bronx, East Bronx. Let's walk down. Let's see what you can find. Yes, a lot of people they don't know, but the Spanish population here in the east of the Bronx, not just east, like north, south, the Bronx, immigrant population is very high. Especially a lot of Dominican Republic people live here also, and Puerto Rican, Mexican, and people, Spanish people from different country. They moved to here because some people they don't know the rent here, the real estate is not that expensive. This is one of the reasons, especially the place is very beautiful. And here you see this avenue, this is Jerome Avenue. Jerome Avenue, this is large avenue. Uh, you know, they have 5.6 miles, like almost like 90 kilometer. You know, it's very large to cross east to west. It take like I think you walk like 1 hour and a half. It's a lot to walk. This is Jerome Avenue. They got a lot of store here, and the price is completely different from Manhattan, New York. Can come here, can get a good bargain. You know, everything you look for can get it here, like you know, t-shirt and jeans, pants, and then restaurant here is, you know, it's very very cheap also. Um, let's walk around. Let's see what we can find. Today is a little bit cold, but anyway, let's enjoy. Okay. let's walk down. Let's see what they have for us. Oh, I see this guy. He used to come in. Let me see. Hey, how you doing, man? How are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin.
Yes.
Kevin, let me ask you one thing. You born in New York City?
Yes, I'm born in New York City.
He's born in New York City. Kevin, let me ask you one thing, Kevin. I'm not gonna go to your private life, but I'm gonna go a little bit about the politics. How the government doing to help the people in New York City now?
I think the government is fair. You know, there was a lot of things in the past that had to be fixed, and they're taking time fixing those things. So I think, you know, people have to be more patient. But overall, I think, you know, how the government, you know, works with people, you know, best way possible to make sure our lives are better for the most part. But I think they're fair overall. You know, I think the government is fair in the
All
way
right.
they treat us.
Another question I have is about immigrant people. You see the New York flow with immigrant people from different countries, like you know already what started the show and the television and news. What do you think about the illegal immigrant people, especially New York City? Because New York City considered like the city, you know, like sanctuary city. That's what they call. What do you think about that? You guys, America, you guys work to support almost the people illegal. What do you think about this?
Well, America was built on immigrants. Nobody here can say that, you know, their grandparents or even their great grandparents, you know, weren't from another country. You know, some of our presidents' parents were from, you know, other countries. So the whole immigrant scenario, I think maybe it has to do with, you know, the economy and sort of finding a way for, you know, everybody to sort of get a chance to sort of prosper in this country. So along the lines, that sort of gets, I should say, ignored, and all the problems surface. But I think that if we go back to the understanding that this country was built on immigrants, you know, immigrants make up America's history, then I think we'll have a better outlook on how we should approach all the issues that, you know, we deal with as far as, you know, immigration law and things like that.
All right, let me ask you one thing, Kevin. But you think it's fair, you know, you America, you work hard, not just you, but all the America, and the people living in America work to support just the people, just to come here. I say support because you guys have to support to pay tax at the end of the year. You almost the people here, not almost a lot of people here, they don't pay tax. Talk about tax, support the America. What do you think about this?
Well, I think the way the tax system works, I guess for now people have always made their own adjustments to it. So politics say that, you know, we should tax the rich to help the poor, because the rich paying more isn't a big deal. They won't lose out on anything really. But I guess, you know, as long as the taxes aren't being used, you know, for things that we don't need, I think the government should always focus on, you know, necessities more than, you know, what we would want, more than, you know, luxuries or even research projects or things like that. But I think taxes should, the money that we get taxed should always go towards, you know, helping the environment or helping people in their everyday lives, the basic necessities. If gas prices are too high, ways to make that more efficient, like invest in projects that would make it more efficient in a way where we pay less for a lot of different resources that we use. So I think it's the way I think the problem is more so what the tax money is being used for rather than the amount we're being taxed.
Kevin, thank you very much. You take care, brother, okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Take care, Kevin. Bye-bye.